Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome back to our channel. I'm going to discuss numerical methods in solving the first derivative and second derivative. Let's start with the first derivative. Here are the methods I'm going to use. Forward difference approximation, backward difference approximation, and the central divided approximation. Then to solve for the error, this is the absolute value of true value minus approximate value all over the true value times 100. For the method, forward difference approximation, this is the equation to get for the first derivative. The f prime of x, this is the first derivative. This is equivalent to f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x, wherein delta x is the step size. Let's have this example. Use forward difference approximation to find the first derivative of y equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 all over x plus 1 at x equals 2. Use delta x equals 0.001. Let's solve first the true value of y prime, since this is not given, and we can solve the true value of y prime using this calculator. So let's press shift and then the derivative. Next, for the fraction, let us set up our equation. So let us enter this equation. X cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 all over x plus 1. And then set your x equals 2. This is also given. Then press equal sign. So the true value for this example is 4. Let's enter that answer here in our true value of y prime. Let us now solve the values in these functions. Let's solve first the function of x plus delta x. To do that, we will enter this equation in our calculator. So this is x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 all over x plus 1. We need to enter the value x plus delta x, and in this case, this is 2 plus 0.001. So press calc in your calculator and enter 2 plus 0.001. Press equal sign. This is the value, 7.004001333. And save to memory A. So the meaning of this arrow to A is save to memory A. Let us press Shift, RCL, then A. So we already saved this value to memory A. Next thing to do is press CA, then arrow up to recall again the equation and press calc. This time, we are solving f of x. So we need to enter the value of x in our calculator, and that is 2. Press 2 and press equal sign. This is our second value, which is 7. Save to memory B. So shift RCL B. Therefore, we already have the value for memory B. And to solve for y prime, this is equivalent to a minus b over delta x. That is our formula given in this method, forward difference approximation. So our y prime now is, we will just recall the memories A and B. And the equation is recall A minus recall B all over delta x, which is 0.001. And our answer is 4.00133. Let us just get the 5 decimal places. And for the error, to solve for the error, this is the true value for minus the approximated value. So this is 4.00133 over the true value. Then times 100. So this is already in percentage. Just get the absolute value. So this is 0.03%. Okay, so this is our answers for this example. Y prime is 4.00133 and the error is 0.03%. Let's take this example. This is the same equation from the previous example. That's why we already have the true value of y prime. So use backward difference approximation to find the first derivative. Again, we will begin with solving these functions. So let us enter the equation in the calculator. So x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 all over x plus 1. Then press calc, enter the value of x, and that is 2. Then press equal sign, so we have 7 here. So this is 7. Then save to memory A. Shift RCL A. Next, press CA and then arrow up to get the equation, same equation. Press calc and enter x minus delta x. And that is 2 minus 0.001. Press equal sign. This is the value for f of x minus delta x. 6.99600. 5 decimal places for this. Then save to memory B. Then to get for the first derivative, our equation is A minus B all over the step size 0.001. Then press equal sign. This is our answer. 3.99867 for 5 decimal places. Let us now solve the error, and that is the true value for minus the approximated value 3.99867 over the true value again 4. Press equal sign and times 100. Okay, so this is already in percentage. Let us just get 2 decimal places, 0.03, and that is in percentage. Okay, so again, this is our answer for this example, backward difference approximation. Y prime is 3.99867. And for the error, we have the same error from the previous example, 0.03%. For our third method, central divided approximation, to get the first derivative, f prime of x, this is equivalent to f of x I plus 1. So this is the x plus delta x minus f of x sub I minus 1. And this is the x minus delta x all over 2 delta x this time. Again, delta x is the step size. Let's take again the same example or the same equation. Use central divided difference approximation to find the first derivative. So let's enter the equation in the calculator. X cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 all over x plus 1. And press calc. For the first function, we have to enter x plus delta x, and that is 2 plus 0.001. Press equal sign, and that is our answer, 7.00400. Let's save this to memory A, shift RCL A. Then press AC, arrow up to get the same equation. Then press calc. This time, we will enter x minus delta x. And that is 2 minus 0.001. Press equal sign. So this is our next value, 6.99600. Let's save this to memory B. Shift RCL B. Next, to solve for the first derivative, the equation for central divided difference is A minus B all over 2 times the step size. So 2 times 0.001. Press equal sign. So we have this value, 3 point. If we round this off to 5 decimal places, we will get 4. But for this time, I will use the complete decimal places. So we have point, then how many 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3 point, then 6 nines, then 88. Oh, let us just put, for the 88, let us just put round this to 9. So we have how many nines after the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us use that value. Then for the error, so we have true value minus 3.79, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all over 4 times 100%, and this is our error. So very small error. Okay, so this is the actual value without notation. So how many zeros is that? 0.00000. 5 zeros before significant digit. If we will round this up to 2 decimal places, this is equivalent to 0%. Okay? So meaning, central divided difference approximation can give higher accuracy than the previous methods. Next is to find the second derivatives using finite difference approximation. And this is our equation. Y double prime, this is the second derivative, equals function of x plus delta x minus 2 function of x plus function of x minus delta x all over delta x squared. Let's take this example, this equation from the previous, but this time, let's find the second derivative. So let's enter this equation, x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 7 all over x plus 1. Then press calc. For our first value, we need to enter x plus delta x, and that is 2 plus 0.001. Then press equal sign. So we have that value 7.00400. Then save that to memory A. Next, press CA or clear or AC in some calculator. Then arrow up to retrieve again the equation. Press calc. Then this time, we will enter the value for x only, which is, in this case, 2. Press equal sign, and our value for f of x is 7. Then save that to memory B. Shift RCL B. Press CA again, then arrow up to get the equation. Press calc, and we will enter x minus delta x. And that is 2 minus 0.001. Press equal sign, and we have that value, 6.99600. Save that to memory C. Shift RCL C. Then press CA. We are now ready to calculate the second derivative, and the equation for that is A minus 2B plus C all over step size 0.001 squared. Then press equal sign. So the answer for this second derivative is 2.67 if we are required to get the up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is the answer for the second derivative of this equation. Y double prime is 2.67. And this is the end of my lecture for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. You can leave a comment, share, and like this video. Thank you again, and God bless to all.